Dookie's got his sweater on. Alright, so we'll make sure it doesn't hit your belly, because there's still Velcro that can get you. Alright guys, well, welcome to this campsite. Site 49 here in, God, I keep forgetting. Here in Big Larch Campground, BLS 49 is my site. So it seemed like all those ones over there were first come, first serve. And then all these are recreation.gov reserved type ones. Which is pretty awesome. So this is the back end, so you can fit a good 30-40 footer here, I would assume. Look at my van. Got completely. This is bear country. Help us keep out of the camp. Yep. High prairie dog country too. Or yeah, 61 degrees indoor, 65 outdoor, which is probably 61 degrees. This is our view for the night. Look at my Duke Meister. He's on top of a log. That'll be it, because I think I've burned everything else. It's gonna be perfect for that freaking soup today. Amen. Come on, Duke. Come on. Good boy. Go. Come on. Dookie. What you doing, bud? Dookie. Come on. Come here, bud. Dookie.